Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to apply for American Express credit card in UK. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to apply for American Express credit card here while you are in the UK, well, the first thing you need to understand here is the region or the regional restrictions. Now, if you're going to visit the American Express website, so the US one or the one hosted in the US, well, the thing with that one, that's a different region. So like in this case, American Express has their own website for the UK. So you want to go and access their website. So you can just type in Google American Express UK, or you could just type in the following email address here or their website. So I'm going to be americanexpress.com/en-gb, which is the website for American Express in the UK. So then you need to access their official website. Now, in here, in their website, you want to go to the card section, go and click on it, and it will give you different options here. You have the personal cards, business cards. Now, this entirely depends on what you are aiming for. So if you are just using it for yourself, you go and choose the credit cards on their personal cards. But if you want to use this for like business purposes, no, that's a different or completely different conversation. You need to actually view all business cards here and choose the appropriate one for you. But for now, let's go and choose credit cards on their personal cards. Now, in here, what we need to do next is you want to go ahead and start exploring. Now, there are a number of credit cards that you could actually get in here. So picking the right one is something that you really need to know here. So you could also use their eligibility checker here. So just in case if you want to see if you actually qualify, because if you apply for them, there's a whole like background check here. And sometimes your let's just say your eligibility or your credit score may be impacted in some cases, but then again, you just need to check the eligibility checker here if you qualify or pre-qualify. Now, again, like what I said, there are a lot of cards here. So as an example, I'm going to going to apply for the American Express Preferred Rewards Gold Credit Card. Let's go and click on Learn More. Now, in here, it should give you the information about that card specifically, like your benefits, what you're actually getting, and a lot more. The points, the benefits here, as you can see. But if you want to apply for it, go and click on Apply button in the left side here. Now, in here, it's going to give you some information like more important documentations, like your card terms and conditions, pre-contract credit information, insurance documentation, summary box. Now, if you want to get some assistance via call, you could also call them on the following numbers. But again, like what I said, visit their official website to see the updated number. So that's why visiting their website is something really important. So go ahead and click on Get Started. And you want to provide the following information. So that includes your name, your nationality here, your email address, how can they reach out to you, your telephone number, address details, and a lot more. Now, in here, obviously, you can go and choose the appropriate nationality if you want, and answer a few questions here. And once you've done that, you can go and click on Save Continue. Now, obviously, they will ask you to provide other information like providing an ID. So they will reach out to you if they need that information. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.